Hi, welcome back to Human Gardener's Veranda Talk. Today I will talk about a book called Die Empty, written by Todd Henry. In the beginning of the book, you can see a speaker asking an audience which, according to them, is the most expensive place in the world. After thinking for a few seconds, they all answered. Some said it is Manhattan or New York in America. For someone else, it was Tokyo. Some said it is the golden mines in Africa, and some said it is the oil fields in Middle East, and so on. The speaker heard all of them, and after a few seconds of silence, and he said, according to him, the most expensive place in the world is a graveyard. He tried to explain it further. He said it is in the graveyard that you can see a novel which was never finished. You can see a brilliant business idea which was never shared or implemented. You can see intelligent innovations which never saw light. You can even see their unfulfilled love. So, according to him, this is the place wherein so much of precious things were buried, and that is why he felt it is the most expensive place in the world. So, this is the basic concept on which he has written this book about. The tagline of this book, or the essence of this book, is unleash your best work today. That is what the author is trying to tell us. He also tried to tell us that this book is not about, as I repeat, it is not about to live your life today as if there is no tomorrow. It is not about living your life as per your whims and fancies. It is not about to do everything today and don't leave anything for tomorrow. No, that is not the idea. What he is trying to tell is, in simple way, is don't die full of your best work. Or in other sense, before you die, ensure that you have utilized all your potentials. In the beginning of the book, you can also see a lady who is an artist come designer. She took over a abandoned house and converted that into an art museum. What she did is that she left a whole big wall empty. At the top of the wall, she just wrote, before I die, I want to, and left it the rest in a blank. So the visitors who came to visit that art museum was motivated or prompted to fill in the sentence of their own. So the visitors started writing, before I die, I want to, and whatever they felt like. So this is what the author also is trying to tell us in a different way. So two things which I would suggest you to do is, one is, of course, try to read this book which is called The Die Empty, written by Todd Henry. This is a small book, few pages, and not very expensive. And second thing is that let us also try to write this small thing about ourselves. Let us do this small exercise wherein take a piece of paper and write, before I die, I want to. I am sure this small exercise will give a lot of insight about ourselves. And the most important thing is that when we say that I want to die empty or empty myself, we should know what is there inside in us today, which will be an interesting exercise for all of us. Till the time I come back with more stories, I hope you will all do this small exercise and try to find out more about yourself. And most important thing, as the authors say, is let us ensure that we die full of our best work. Thank you very much for listening.